What if one ancient root could boost your energy, support digestion, lower blood pressure, and even fight inflammation? Discover why taro root is becoming a global superfood. Taro root, a starchy tuber native to Southeast Asia but widely cultivated across tropical and subtropical regions, is more than just a culinary staple. It's a nutritional powerhouse with a rich cultural and medicinal legacy. For centuries, communities from Hawaii to India have relied on taro not just as a food source but also as a remedy for various health issues. Rich in complex carbohydrates, taro provides long-lasting energy and is particularly valuable in regions where food security is a concern. Its low glycemic index makes it suitable for those managing blood sugar, offering a slow and steady release of energy. Unlike simple carbohydrates that lead to rapid spikes and crashes, taro's starches digest slowly, supporting metabolic health and reducing hunger over time. As more people seek alternatives to wheat and corn, taro emerges as a naturally gluten-free, allergy-friendly option that can be prepared in myriad ways, from stews to chips, curries to baked goods. Beyond its macronutrient profile, taro root boasts a remarkable array of vitamins and minerals essential for maintaining overall health. It's particularly rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a critical role in maintaining blood pressure and heart health. Regular consumption of potassium-rich foods like taro can help counteract the effects of high sodium intake and reduce the risk of hypertension. Taro also contains magnesium and phosphorus, which contribute to strong bones and optimal muscle function. Vitamin C found in taro acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress and supporting immune health. Meanwhile, the presence of vitamin E complements this by promoting healthy skin and combating inflammation. For individuals seeking to enhance their immune defenses, improve cardiovascular function, and maintain a strong skeletal system, taro provides a natural and holistic source of nourishment. One of taro's most underrated benefits lies in its high fiber content, which plays a critical role in digestive health. Dietary fiber is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Taro offers both soluble and insoluble fiber, which together enhance digestion and help regulate cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds with bile acids in the gut and aids in their excretion, which can reduce overall cholesterol and support heart health. Meanwhile, insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, making elimination more efficient and comfortable. As gut health is increasingly recognized as a cornerstone of overall wellness, impacting everything from mood to immunity, foods like taro, which nourish the microbiome, are becoming essential additions to a balanced diet. The bioactive compounds found in taro also provide anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties that are being studied by modern science. Polyphenols and flavonoids, naturally occurring in taro, have shown promise in reducing chronic inflammation and neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. These compounds may help prevent the onset of lifestyle-related diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. In traditional medicine, taro has been used to treat wounds, skin irritation, and digestive disorders. The mucilaginous texture of cooked taro is soothing to the digestive tract and can act as a demulcent, offering relief to those with ulcers or gastritis. As more scientific research validates these ancient uses, taro is being re-examined not just as food, but as functional medicine. Incorporating it into a modern diet provides both nourishment and a gentle therapeutic effect, especially for those managing chronic conditions. From a sustainability perspective, taro is an environmentally friendly crop that thrives in wet, tropical climates with minimal input. Its resilience to pests and diseases, along with its ability to grow in flooded or nutrient-poor soils, makes it a vital crop for food security in vulnerable regions. Beyond the root, the leaves of the taro plant are also edible when cooked and offer additional nutrients such as iron, calcium, and vitamin A. This whole plant utility reduces food waste and maximizes nutritional return. With the growing movement toward plant-based and culturally diverse diets, taro is gaining attention as a climate-smart crop that supports both human and planetary health. Whether served as poi in Hawaii, a curry in India, or chips in Western health food stores, taro represents a powerful intersection of tradition, nutrition, and sustainability, a humble root with the potential to nourish and heal across cultures and continents. From ancient traditions to modern kitchens, taro root proves it's more than just a starchy side. It's a nutrient-packed powerhouse with benefits your body will thank you for.